Hey guys, been a while, I know. We're coming back with some new specials. One of my buddies bought a chainsaw, as you can tell. It's a purple temu special. I think he said it was $64? $75, excuse me. It is a 63cc with a 20-inch bar. And we've been kind of modifying chainsaws. So he bought this and we're going to see what we can do to this thing until it can't handle it. So we're going to open it and see what we can get from here. Alright. Oh, look at that. We got ourselves a protector. Tell you that. Got a 20-inch bar. And it's even purple. Yeah, that's sweet. It's a low kickback bar. That's interesting. Corner piece. Don't need to. Oh, we don't need a scratch. There's one in there. We got our train. It's not gold, so I'm disappointed. Don't need that. Oh boy. Here's the exciting part. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. She's purple. Look at that view. What you think of that? Looks almost like the old Ryobi. Pretty close. Pretty close. It's even got a little grippy thing. Hell yeah. We got a fuel can. Whatever. And a box. All done. Alright guys, so we got her out of the packaging. We got her chain. And it does not seem to be a double raker, which is a good thing. It might be, I don't know. It doesn't look like it though. Alright, it probably is. But we got the old chainsaw bar. And this is our 325/76 drag link. And we got obviously our chainsaw. We went ahead and made a little pre-mix. This thing's actually pretty cool. Fill your gas up to there and your oil up to that. And here's your 50 to 1 or 40 to 1 or whatever you want. We also got a cute little tool bag here. So we're gonna open it up, see what's in here. I think that's everything. So we got a file. Oh, that's good. We got a wrench, a couple of Allen keys, our adjuster, and then this is another chain tensioner, which is weird. But we're gonna go ahead and get this put together and get it fueled up and ready to roll. And then we'll bring you guys back on for the old first fire up of this bad boy. And yeah. So I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys. So we done got her put together. She's very interesting. That's for damn sure. Pretty sure it's an old style Husky build. But it is a safety chain. It is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and see how many pulls this takes to fire up. Because you know it's never had gas in it. So let's try this. Eight? That's pretty, maybe 8. I don't know. I'll have to recount. Alrighty, boys and girls. So, as you can tell, we're changing up how we're gonna do this. I decided the way we did it the first time is not gonna work. So, we have the Vaunt holding the log. We're gonna go. Obviously, we got the whole gang here, and the old milling machine set up because we're doing some tabletops real quick as soon as I'm done with this. But we're gonna go smallest to biggest. So obviously Ryobi, Husqvarna, 261, the chainsaw, and then the 500. And then yeah. And if you guys would like to see some videos of milling, just tell me. We'll do it. But we'll get all these started, and we'll go over there and we'll start cutting. So see you in a minute. All right, guys. So they all do have sharp chains on them. So we're just gonna do a time trial. A 38cc 18-inch bar, 41cc 20-inch bar, 50.5cc with a 25-inch bar, obviously 63 with a 20-inch bar, and then whatever the 500s are with a 20-inch bar. So we're gonna fire these up and get to cutting. Now we got the old Husky, obviously straight pipe, you guys knew that. We're gonna make cut with this bad boy. With a custom straight pipe. It's supposed to look like a cowboy hat, because Cody named this the Bandit. So, and obviously Subject 41 or the Husqvarna should definitely be called the Outlaw. This does have a skip tooth on it. Alright, the old chainsaw. This is a completely stock 500. There's nothing, no muffler mods or nothing. This is the one we use for the tree service, so we'll go with that. There you are. There's the comparisons. Obviously, Ryobi has a little less power, but in all honesty, for $78, I think that's a good buy. Alrighty, guys, I don't know if I did extra already, but it doesn't matter. So there's our little contest installed. There's our $78, Chinese chainsaw. It's actually not a bad saw. I would definitely run it. It definitely worked. We used it at work the other day and it was doing great. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's more to come on that saw, and I'll talk to you later. Alrighty, guys, so there's our little test. I'm sure tomorrow Actually, we'll film a little bit more for the 261 versus this thing tomorrow out to the farm. That way you guys can tell, you know, the difference between this and a 50, a 52 or something like that. CC saw. Obviously that's pro saw. This is homeowner style saw, but we'll do that. I'll put that in the video too, so you guys can see those. And then yeah, but I'd say for the whole 78 whopping dollars this thing is, I'd say she runs pretty good. She does pretty good. I'm excited to get it out and test it on some hickory, oak, you know, whatever we can get our hands on, walnut. Just see how long she can rip, see how hard she can rip. So I'd say for $78, there you go. You got a chainsaw thing. You know, it's purple, so it's even cooler. But yeah, he got off Temu, and I like it. Oh, it took him 5 days to get it. Yeah, but that's not bad. We were pretty excited for this when he ordered it. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, there'll be more videos on this. Don't worry. You're gonna get some video upgrades. I'll talk to y'all later.